Waka, Waka, Waka. Yeah, he going hard in the paint, man. It's early, dude. This dude right here is good, and I'm so glad. I'm over here still on these pain pills.
What up, though, man? You see that watery ass, man? You know what I'm saying? Nigga, this how smooth I am, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, curly hair, nigga. This when you wipe your tears, nigga, and rub it through your hair, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Some OG shit, nigga. Gangster, gangster. Nigga, I was just choking like a motherfucker, dog. I ain't ashamed to say it. That's what that good shit to do to you, nigga. I don't give a fuck with... Oh, shit. Damn. Fuck, what's that? Cut. Locker. Luke Skywalker. Waka, Texas Ranger.
Nah. You about ready?
Huh?
You about ready? Yo, it's time. I'm sweating some more shit.
No, nigga, I thought it was just...
Alright, now check this out, right? This nigga got a fro, right? This my nigga at Elway79. He said he ain't in the R&B and shit like that. But this nigga got the Kenny G Afro, nigga. That's exclusive, nigga. Only he could wear that shit down here in Nashville, Tennessee. Niggas can't do it like Elway. I'ma be 100. I'ma be 100. But yeah, he got his Kenny G smooth thing going on, you know, 70s style, baby. But he don't listen to, you know, music, R&B music at that. But now check this out, man. My man Elway and I might be trending topic. What's your favorite R&B artist, and tell us why. And I can guarantee you that the repetitiveness from some of my followers will come in. Okay. But anyways, at Elway79, do you have anything that you would like to say at this current moment?
Luke Skywalker.